Hi, I want to talk to you today about these quart-size Kraft paper bags. Now, these are great if you are purchasing, say, a bottle, maybe a wine bottle, and they fit right in the bag. Then what you would do is just pull that up, and you could wrap that right there as you're wrapping. You could put a nice little bow on it and use it as a gift bag. These are also good if you are moving and you need to wrap things. Like I have this delicate statue, and I use these all the time to wrap my stuff in when I have to pack them away or maybe I'm moving. Another good item to use these for is bread. Sell bread, like say fresh baked bread, long type of bread. These are the perfect thing to give your customers their bread in. These also come in a pint size as well, so it would be a little bit smaller. But these for crafts with kids, perfect way to get them to decorate them. There's all types of uses you could use these bags for. And that is just my honest opinion.